moving to London. Who would have thought? Not me. I didn't plan it. Kind of. I said I'm gonna move to London, and my plan was to do it at the beginning of next year so I can save a little bit of more money, because like my rent situation in Edinburgh was quite cheap and I was spending way less money than I think I would be spending in London. So, and then a curiosity one. Basically I went to Spare Room just out of interest to see if there's any like affordable rooms in London, and I saw a couple, so I quickly created an account. I paid money to contact people and I messaged a bunch of people. Also, pro tip, don't just message people, hi, is it still available? No, what I did is like, I wrote like a description of myself, how I am as a flatmate, what am I looking for, what kind of vibe I want, and all of that. And I got quite a lot of responses and I had a few viewings. I messaged a bunch of people on Friday after work, Saturday I had viewings, and Sunday I got the room. It was very unexpected. I was scared, terrified, but also excited. So I'm moving very soon. I have a lot of stuff. I need to sort through all of that. I need to give away from my things. I need to give things to charity, and I need to decide what I'm gonna do, because I honestly don't want to pay a company to ship my stuff. I want to do it the cheap way, because I don't have that many savings, because I've been on too many holidays this year and this was kind of unexpected. So yeah, I'm setting myself a challenge to do it the cheapest way as possible and to get rid of the most of the things, because I'm kind of a hoarder. I keep things as souvenirs. I'm just, yeah, it's horrible, you're gonna see. I also bought vacuum bags, so I'm gonna use those. I wonder how that's gonna work. So yeah, come pack with me. So I'm moving to London in 3 weeks. It's very, very, very stressful. I didn't expect that to happen that early. And I've been in this room for like 4.5 years, so I accumulated so much shit, so much. So now I'm going through all my stuff and I'm throwing out bits that I don't need and no one else would need, and then I'm making pile for my friends to just like go through and see what they want. It's a lot to do. It's only 3 weeks and I'm really, really stressed. So this is the pile to sort through for my friends, some art and craft stuff, some books and things like that. Maybe someone can use that. We'll see. Okay, I sorted through my like documents and knickknacks and stuff like that, and now it's time for my clothes. That's gonna be the hardest one because I have to say goodbye to a lot of things and I'm not good at it. I still have my clothes that I was wearing like 10 years ago. Oh, wish me luck. This is a suitcase of doom. This is where I store all of the clothes that I don't know what to do with. All of my like seasonal ones like summer and winter. So there's everything and anything there. I need to sort through these clothes because I have too much. There's stuff that I definitely no longer need and they're like half broken. I'm never really good with throwing things out, but this one needs to go. That's my burlesque robe. It's just dash up on diamond. I need to leave it as a souvenir. I've been kind of dissociating from life because I don't know. I'm excited to move, but also I'm terrified, and I'm terrified this is a bad decision. Oh. I don't know, but also I feel like there's so many things that I need to do. I need to pack, I need to like organize my stuff, I need to book the shipping company, just and a lot of like small details. And also I want to see all my friends, so there's not a lot of time. I literally move in like a week. Oh my god, I'm moving in a week. This is to keep, maybe, and this is definitely something I'm gonna be throwing out. just packed those 2 suitcases. They're gonna be shipped. Oh, today is Tuesday. I only have today, tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. Oh, and then Saturday it's a big move. I'm very stressed. I think I underestimated how much shit I have. Those 2 suitcases, they're gonna be shipped by this company. It's called Sendmail Luggage, I think. I'm gonna give you an honest review after it's done. The rest I'm trying to take with me on the train, so it can't be too heavy. But I packed most of the clothes here. I'm just taking with me clothes that I'm gonna be wearing the first week, and stuff that I like feel they're more valuable to me, because if something happens to those suitcases, that they'll be fine. Yeah. super stressed. Oh, mamma mia. This is how it looks now. What a mess. I'm taking those boxes to recycling now, on my way. I hate packing, guys. I hate it. We are having our last pizza party. This is so sad. So I've invited a bunch of my friends and we're gonna have pizza and some drinks, just like good old times. This is kind of like a goodbye party, but not really. I'm gonna see them all very, very soon. I hope. I know that. But I think I'm just gonna be very emotional. And this was my last day. I had to clean my beautiful room. It made me feel so sad to leave it. I get super attached to places. It was a very hard goodbye. My friends came in the morning to make breakfast and to walk me to the train station. It was super cute of them. It was such a nice moment. Hello. I felt very emotional, and a lot of trains got cancelled and delayed. It was such a nightmare, but finally I got on the train. I waved goodbye to all everyone and I embarked on my new journey. It's been a month. That the time goes by so fast. I am finally starting to settle in. I am organizing my room. I'm making it very cute, as you can see. I'm gonna give you a little tour of my room and flat. I'm still working on decorating and I painted my room. You know, I'm crazy. I always have to have like a very cute place where I live. The area is very residential, which is a huge difference from where I was in Edinburgh, which was like insane. All the bins and pubs and drunk people and all of that. And here it's nothing, it's silence. But to be honest, it's a bit too quiet. So I still sleep with earplugs because when it's like this quiet, even the slightest noise will wake me up. So still earplugs. Also, a very good thing about my location, it takes me like half an hour to get to the office, which is amazing for London, I think. So overall, I am very happy. I changed my life. This is a new chapter. I'm settling in, I'm building my routine. It's still a bit chaotic, so this is what I'm gonna be working on this week. So I feel like this is time when I can start going to the gym and settling in, like building my routine, because now it was kind of like, you know, a bit chaotic. Trying to find my way in, and like it's not even the fact that I moved to London, it's also the fact that I am working from the office now 3 times a week. And I've been working from home full time for 2 years now. So it's a big change overall. And honestly, I'm planning to make you part of that settling in, part of that exploring London. I want to take you with me, and because I feel like this channel is all about embracing change and make your life better and all of that. So honestly, I want to share that all with you. So if you're going through something similar, like you just moved or you want to move, just join me here and let's do it all together. You're moving here when you're 30 without having friends here. Like, I do have colleagues, but other than that, I'm pretty much alone. And I'm 33, I live with flatmates again, and I'm not making a lot of money, and I feel like I'm so broke right now. Like, moving somewhere is just crazy expensive, and every day I find new things that I need. Like, I bought plants yesterday and I need pots, and pots are so expensive. I didn't know that. So yeah, all my money is gone. I don't have a lot of savings anymore because all went for my move, because I didn't plan this. I think this was like universe pushing me, so it's okay. As a very famous Greek philosopher, my friend Christina says, money is for spending. So I'm gonna try not to feel that bad. I feel like I'm rambling. I'm gonna give you a tour of my room and the rest of the flat now. And let me know if you're excited to see my London journey, if that's a good idea. Also, it's gonna be more vlogs than like sit down to a camera, because I think these are more interesting and I can still talk about all the things that I talk normally, but in a more like interesting format. So let me know if you like that, and I'll see you next week. On to the tour now. So that's my bed. It's very comfortable, and I never actually had fully white sheets, but to be honest, I love it. It's kind of like a hotel quality. This is my desk area. This is my chair. So the desk was in this room, but the chair is something that I bought off Amazon. I think it was like £60, and it's very, very comfortable and super cute. And this, I need to like buy some things for the desk to make it cute. I love this glass, and this I got from Joanna for my birthday, I think last year. This is Edinburgh girl, and this little trinket, Ola made for me as my goodbye gift. I love it. Here's a little chest of drawers. It was like a nightstand, but it doesn't fit there. And this is what I got from my friends as a goodbye gift. All a picture of us together. Super, super cute. Here we have the wardrobe. I love this rack. I think it goes so well with the blue. I hated that blue carpet, but I think now with that rack, it kind of looks cool. To be honest, I love it now. And another plant that I got yesterday. And this hanging baby. I want to either like make macrame to hang it or buy something, but I really, really like it. And for all three of them, I paid 17 pounds. So this was 12, and the one that I have on my window and this one was 5 altogether. So 17 pounds for 3 of them. I think it's such a good deal. Hello. It still needs like pictures hanging and all of that, but I think it's quite cute. And this is our bathroom. It's quite dark here. Big tub. This is where I'm gonna be laying down all winter. Super exciting stuff. Just regular schmegular bathroom. Hi. It's a little shelf. This is mine. Yeah. This is the kitchen. This is my cupboard. The washing machine. Table. Here we have a couch, and this is where we dry our laundry. And this is our wee garden. Look at that. In summer, I'm gonna get a table. We have chairs apparently, and we're just gonna have so many cute days there. Like dinner parties, barbecues. I see it. I see it. Hope you like that little tour. See you next week. Bye.